Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to reset your Rocket Money account password. If you don't have a Rocket Money account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Then on this page, you will see an option for Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password. First, enter your username so Rocket Money will be able to identify your account. Then an email will be sent to you containing a link from which you can reset your password. On the email, you will see an option for Reset My Password. Click on Reset My Password. Now you will be directed to the page from which you can reset your password. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then, enter it again to confirm. After entering the required information, click on Reset Password. And now you will see a message saying, you have successfully reset your password. That's how you reset your Rocket Money account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.